Here we are discussing about PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is an open source relational database management system developed by a worldwide team of volunteers. PostgreSQL is not controlled by any corporation or other private entity, and the source code is available free of charge. Features of PostgreSQL: compatible with various platforms, using all major languages and middleware. It offers a more sophisticated mechanism, support for multi-version concurrency, control major server-side programming functionality compliant with the ANSI SQL. Advantages of PostgreSQL: it can run dynamic websites and web apps at a LAMP option. Its source code is freely available under an open source license. It supports geographic objects, so we can use it as a location based service. To learn Postgres, we don't need much training as it's easy to use, low maintenance. Disadvantages of PostgreSQL: it's not owned by one organization, so it has getting its name out there. Many open source apps support MySQL but may not support PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL mainly focuses on compatibility.
Next topic is data types. While creating table for each column, you specify a data types, that is what kinds of data you want to store in the table fields. This enables several benefits: consistent compactness, performance, validation. It supports a wide set of data types. There are different categories of data types in PostgreSQL. Next topic is numeric type. Numeric types consist of 2 bytes, 4 bytes and 8 bytes integer, 4 bytes and 8 bytes floating point numbers. The following tables list the available tables names. First one is small int, 2 bytes, small range integer. Next is integer, 4 bytes, typical choice for integer. Next is decimal variable, user specified precision exact. Next is real, 4 bytes, variable precision inexact. Next is big int, 8 bits, large range number. Next is numeric variable, user specified precision exact. Next topic is boolean type. The boolean data type can have the states true, false and a third state unknown, which is represented by null value. Boolean, one type, one byte, state of true or false. Next topic is geometrical data type. It represents two-dimensional spectral object, the most fundamental type. The point form the basics for all the other types. The first one is point, 18 bytes, point on a plane. Next is box, 32 bytes, rectangular box. Next is line, 32 bytes, infinite line. Next is EG, 32 bytes, infinite line segment. Next topic is XML type. The XML data type can be used to store XML data. Next topic is bit string type. Big strings are used to store big masks. They are either 0 or 1. There are two SQL bits types, bit n and bit varying n, where n is positive integer.
Object identifier types is used to internally by PostgreSQL as primary key for various system tables. If with object identifier is specified or default with object identifier configuration variable is enabled by then, in such case object identifiers are added to user created tables. The following table lists several types are rec pros pgpro function name, rec procedure pgpro function with the argument types, rec oper pg operator operator name, rec operator pg operator operator with the argument types, rec class pg class relation name, rec type pg type data type name.
Let's look at the next PostgreSQL type. It is called pseudo type. Basically, a pseudo type cannot be used as a column data type. There are many number of special purpose entries in PostgreSQL. Actually, they are collectively called as pseudotypes. Let's look at it. Number 1, any. It indicates that a function accepts any input data type. Number 2, any element. It indicates that a function accepts any data type. Number 3, any array. It indicates that a function accepts any array data type. Number 4, any enum. I think it's pronounced as any enum. It indicates that a function accepts any enum data type. Fifth one is any range. It indicates that a function accepts any range data type. Number 6, internal. It indicates a function accepts or return a server internal data type. Number 7, record. It identifies a function returning an unspecified row type. Number 8, trigger. A trigger function is declared to return a trigger. Ninth one is void. It indicates that a function returns no value.
Array type. PostgreSQL gives the opportunity to define a column of table as variable length dimension array. Array of any built-in or user-based types, enum types or composite type can be created. Range type. Range type represents a data type that uses a range of type. Range type can be discrete range or continuous range. Built-in range types are int 4 range, int 8 range, num range, ts range.